I come from Colombia, from Bogota, and I am a teacher of the Occupational Safety and Health program. We work mainly with informal workers. And this time we bring you our paper, Next Gen Safety Training, ICT Solutions for Informal Workers in Colombia. Okay, so first, these solutions are aimed to address the informal work risks and hazards that they are facing in their informal work. For this project, we focused on mining industries. We have the opportunity to work with mines, quarries in Bogota and in Villavicencio, which is a nearby town. And also we have the opportunity to work with gold mines in Cauca, which is far away from Bogota, but it's also important in terms of informal mining. What we did here, or the main goals or aspirations, expectations of this work, this research, was first we wanted to focus on using ICT, information and communication technologies. Example given, VR, augmented reality, which we will want to see in the next slides. And also, we are working right now in mobile applications and chatbots. This is to enhance safety and training to informal workers, in these industries. But also, we would like to scale these experiences to other informal workers. Also, we aim to bridge the gap between traditional safety methods and the need for more immersive and accessible training. Also, we see that this aligns with SDG Sustainable Development Goals, number 8, which is decent work and economic growth. Okay, the main goals of the project was to first identify key occupational hazards and risks among informal workers. The second one was to explore ICT tools to improve safety training and worker well-being, and to develop and integrate culturally relevant content for effective learning. Also, the last expectation of the project was to empower workers through interactive, accessible technology solutions. So, our methodology for the project was first we use research creation strategy, which is based on design, and to develop new tools in collaboration with the workers. Also, we have a phase of data collection. We based that in NTC 4114, which is a regulation in Colombia to assess the risks and hazards in workstations, and the GTC 45, which is a risk matrix that we use in the normal industries for, but we are using it to assess the risks for informal workers. The sampling was by convenience sampling, and also we had the help of the risk matrix analysis, and also experts and workers' feedback in order to shape the solution. As I said, we used mixed reality, AR prototypes, and digital communication devices. Okay, so these are the results of the diagnostics. The most high-level risks are biomechanical, physical, and biological. The others have medium level and low level, so we focused our efforts mostly in the physical and biological risks, which are respiratory diseases, head stroke, and particle aspiration, because there are a lot of particles in the air where mining industries are located. Okay, so this is part of the ICT tool design. We try to make it in a virtual reality environment. So they use their own phones, and we provided them with the VR goggles, and they use the goggles, and they scan for QR codes all over the place. So they were trained to identify these risks and these hazards in the actual environment. These are part of the design process. It counted with the participation of the informal workers, but some graphic designers were in charge of developing them in the tool. So we used Metaverse. Unfortunately, Metaverse is no longer available, but we at the time that we made the tool, the ICT tool, we decided to go with Metaverse because it was shareable and available for that time. So this is part of the process. And these are some of the snapshots that we have regarding the Metaverse app from the download until the usage, actual usage by the informal workers. The last one over there is the snapshot of the virtual reality tool in action. This is part of the work that we made with some workers and also with some experts, graphic designers. From those sketches over there are the ideas that we worked with the informal workers in order to get insights and feedback on how they learn and how they wanted to get the information regarding all the risks that they face. So when we finish this project is we believe that this is the first phase of a bigger training program that we want to develop in the university. But we were facing some limitations, as well as we identified the main tools that we need in order to provide to create this next generation of occupational safety and safety and health training. So the first, the ICT tools, we deemed them effective for bridging knowledge gaps. So it was very effective transmitting information. And then we learned that social innovation techniques, which are very close to the engineering humanitarian process, is deemed, and graphic design are very crucial in the process. They developed safety habits through immersive learning. There were some difficulties accessing workers. There is a sampling bias because the sample is very small, and we have limited general visibility of the results. These are some other recommendations in order to scale ICT, update safety materials for evolving risks, and involve workers in tool development and maintenance. These are the final that are presented in our paper, the final conclusions that are open to discussion. So, future work, we are working right now in artificial intelligence control methods for risks control and also to hazard identification. So that's all. Thank you very much for your attention.
We still have one more talk.